Hello and welcome to today's video. We have a fun one today and we're just going to jump right into it. I want to show you, I made one of them. It is just a little pocket that looks like that, which how cute. These colors are beautiful. These are actually from two of our paper kits. I designed these using, it's some of our original paper kits. Let me remember what they're called. I took a screenshot of it on my phone so that I could tell you guys. It is called, we have the Summer Song collection and the Faded Roses collection. And I'll link those in the description of this video as well as this kit. Quick heads up, if you are a monthly Kit Club subscriber, meaning that you subscribe to our premium bundle or our premium gold bundle every month, then this is already included and it's a freebie for you guys this month. So it's on Etsy and you can buy it there. Or if you're a monthly Kit Club subscriber, you just go to www.pinkmonarchprints.com and then you'll go to where you download your PDF for the monthly kit. And then if you just scroll to the bottom, that's where we keep all of our freebies. If we have any available, which we have had so many lately, then this is there and you can just download it. It's a really fun kit and you guys will not be disappointed at all. I love it. So let me show you kind of what I'm doing. Each little pocket comes with a ephemera piece, a tag, and then a, what do you call it? It's like a mini one of this. It's just this unique pocket where you can add more stuff in. You can use them separately. You can add them inside. I'll probably just add all of mine inside here. I love them. They're just so cute. This is cute. Look at this vintage ephemera. It's about a rose, which is perfect for this kit. I like to kind of turn my little tags out and layer, send them in different directions. I think it's really cute to have a layered effect. I think it's just fun, you guys. I'm very particular, so I might take a second in adjusting this. There. How cute. So we're just gonna have some fun. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory for most of it. You can get the kit and you don't even need to follow this video. But I'm going to just have some fun crafting and chatting, and yeah, we'll get started. So we have two more to do. I'm going to set this aside. You can actually mix and match what's included in each kit, or you can keep it as is. Each page just has the full kit, but mix and match, use different pieces, add your own pieces, everything is good. The first thing I'm going to do is just get my base pocket together using a very thin line of glue so I don't glue anything I'm not supposed to. And it will leave lots of room for the items to go inside. And I like to do this part first just because it helps it dry. I always get antsy and will put things inside and then it lifts up the glue because it's not dried yet. Sorry if you guys can hear all sorts of construction outside. I've been waiting for it to stop and I was just like, you know what? It's been going for 3 days straight and I need to film some videos. So I just said, whatever. I'm gonna film and I'm sure all you wonderful people will hopefully understand that situation there. Alright, now I have these two done. I'm going to try and think about what I want. I haven't put any thought into this yet. There's this really cute piece of ephemera here. That'll go in this pocket. This will go in here. But I want to maybe add something. I always love to do this and then fold it over and add a little tab. So that is an option. I also have some lace. I wanted to use lace in at least one of these projects because it's very fitting for the colors of the kit. So I'll just cut off a little piece and maybe we can add that on the front. Let's start with the front. Let's decorate the front. We're gonna do maybe something like this. Let's just experiment with some placement here. Oh, love the butterfly. But does the lace work with the butterfly? Because they're both white, so it kind of throws me off. No, guys, I don't know if I love the lace. which I'm sad about. I think I'm gonna go without the lace. I think that's cuter. Dang it. Maybe we can use it somewhere else. Oh, maybe I have an idea. Okay, first let me just glue this down. Just do right here, here, and here. So cute. Oh wait, butterfly I think is next. Don't want to over glue. When in doubt, use a little less glue and maybe you can add more later if you need it. I was looking at the Facebook group that we have for the subscription, or just for general people who post about Pink Monarch and stuff, and I'm pretty much just blown away with how good you guys are. I feel like I am just such an amateur in comparison. You guys are literally incredible. So if you want inspiration, go to the Facebook group, you guys. People are so good. You can just take a look at their pictures they post, and it's just amazing. I'm always just so impressed. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna trim this. I'm trying to think, how would this work? How would I use this? I don't know, but we're just gonna glue it and find out. Add lots of glue because lace needs it. Then we're gonna let it dry. Maybe do a little hole punch. I don't know. This is a little long for my liking. I don't know. It's looking a little funky. We'll have to see what happens. Okay, and then I have, how cute is this little pocket and this little green tag? This color of green is just beautiful. I love it, I love it. I'll just stick that inside. And I feel like that is a great piece to add onto the front there. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So cute. Look at these colors together. Alright. Let's just stuff the pocket and see what we got going on. Did I glue it shut? Oh no, we're good. Just needed some warming up. I think the tag is growing on me as well, but I'm not entirely sure. I can't decide. I'll give it some time and think about it. I could definitely add an eyelet and that would be helpful. Let's get this space better. Ooh, so cute. I also have a whole collection here of some of my charms, brads, and clips. I also really want to find a way to use this. This is a huge piece. I love it. And maybe it's too much because it is quite big. But I love it, you guys. I want to use it so badly. I've been trying to find a good project, but I'm so picky because I want it to just be the perfect project to use it on. This one's pretty good, but I don't think it's the project I want to go with, so maybe let's just add a smaller one. I think that one looks better anyway for the size of this pocket. Put it right down. And to make sure that it stays tight while it's drying, I actually have this little clip, and I'm just going to clip that on and let it stay really, really tight. So we'll set this one aside. It's not quite finished, but we'll set it aside and start on our very last one. So many fun pieces to decide how I want to use. So there's our piece of ephemera, another cute rose. I think this kit is very shabby chic. When I hear shabby chic, I think of these papers. I love the shabby chic style so much. It's hard because you guys also love shabby chic, but then some of you love grungy and some of you love more of the modern scrapbooking look. So I try and balance the kits out and get a good mix within every kit, and then I also try to, wow, it is really loud out there, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know, I just try to please everybody, you know, and I love all the styles, and so I'm happy to do it because it's so fun to just try new things and mix it up. I think paper crafting in general is such a fun hobby to just explore, and like you don't need a purpose, you don't have to have a style, you can just do whatever you want. Okay, now I gotta decide. I have this little clock piece. How cute. It's pink. That's gonna go right here because that is a perfect fit and it's cute. It mixes it up from using the roses as much on the front. And we still might use a rose on the front, but it just adds some more layering to the piece. I didn't quite center that, but whatever, it's okay. We have this, would be so cute right there. This rose really is so cute, so maybe we do add the rose still with just the clock peeking behind. I have to do it. I love a good rose fussy cut. If it's available, then I'm doing it all day. 9 times out of 10 actually. I also love to like have some hanging over. I just think it adds shape to your projects. It's really fun. I'm going to a wedding I'm leaving today. We have to actually go get a hotel because it's a little bit of a drive, but I'm excited. It's going to be fun. So I'm trying to get as much work done today as I can so that I can enjoy my time there and not have to stress about the business. I stress about it, guys. You guys are all really nice. It's nothing to do with you, I promise. It's all me. But I just want to make sure everything's taken care of. I'm getting new products out for you guys and everything. We also have a bit of exciting news coming shortly. I can't share it yet, but within maybe a week or two I can. I'm just so excited. Okay, so we could do a little label right here up top on this tag. We could create a little bit of I think we'll do a tab. That looks really good. I just decided. I don't spend too much time dwelling on if I should do something or not. Usually I just do it. Bunch of glue. I don't know, guys. Junk journaling is very forgiving. It's okay to try new things. Okay, but now what do we want to add to it? Surely there's something else. Oh, this is so cute. I won't. It's not the right time. Let's add this giant brad. So get my hole puncher. It is quite a big brad too. It's quite large. Look at that. I prefer the smaller ones, I've decided. I've had these for a while and I like them. I don't love them. They are super cute though. Okay, let's hurry and add everything in because it looks like my camera is going to die soon. I'll add this one in first this time. Look at this, guys. I've used every single piece in all 3 of the kits. That is so cute. I love it. Okay, quick recap. So we can take this off. I think it's all dry now. Quick recap. Oh, I love them. Adorable. Which one is your favorite? If I had to rank them, I'm a lover of big butterflies, so maybe that one, maybe this one, maybe that one. I don't know, I can't decide. But if you guys, again, want this kit, you can either become a subscriber during the next few weeks. This will be a freebie for a couple of weeks. And if you just want the kit, go ahead and go to Etsy. If you do become a subscriber, the website is www.pinkmonarchprints. And what's great news is that you can actually get the kit at a really good deal. If it's your first time buying, you just use the code MONARCH3. You'll get $3 off your first month. You'll get a 50+ page kit every month and freebies all the time. We have a YouTube channel. It's a great community. We have a really good time. Anyways, hope you guys have a lovely day. Here's one final close-up. Go make something beautiful. Go enjoy your time with your loved ones. And we will see you in our next video. Goodbye.